Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve financial tools with Intuit easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve financial tools with Intuit, start by signing in to your Intuit account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access various financial tools. Explore the different sections available, such as budgeting, invoicing, and expense tracking. Select the financial tool you want to enhance. For budgeting tools, input your income and expenses to create a detailed budget. Utilize preset categories to make tracking easier. Check the reports section to analyze your spending patterns over time. If you're using invoicing tools, customize your invoice template to reflect your brand. Add your logo and choose color schemes that align with your business aesthetics. Send invoices digitally for prompt payments. For expense tracking, link your bank account to automatically import transactions. Review and categorize each transaction as needed to ensure accurate records. Set up alerts for bill payments to avoid late fees. Use the forecasting feature to predict future financial trends based on historical data. Schedule regular reviews of your financial health using the dashboard reports. Explore integrations with other tools that you may already be using for a streamlined process. Make sure to utilize the Help Center for any questions or additional guidance on features. Stay updated on new features released by Intuit to continually improve your financial management. By following these steps, you can optimize your financial tools and enhance your overall financial management strategy with Intuit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.